So you want to build an AI chatbot that answers your customers' questions? And most importantly, doesn't hallucinate, doesn't confidently hand people information that's just wrong. This is one of the biggest problems out there. People build the chatbot, launch it, then find out it's making things up, and end up paying thousands in consulting just to fix it. I've talked to a ton of people building these, and they all make the same handful of mistakes. Fix these, and you go from a chatbot that lies to a golden one. Let me show you. Most people think the AI is just dumb, or it's the model's fault. It's not. Almost every chatbot today runs on something called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. In plain English, you feed it your documents, and when a customer asks something, it searches those docs and answers from what it finds. So the hallucination doesn't come from the AI. It comes from the search. Here's the problem. That search grabs whatever's most similar to the question, and when it can't find a real match, it grabs the closest looking stuff anyway, hands it to the AI, and says, here, this is probably the answer. The AI trusts it and makes something up. Garbage in, confident garbage out. Now think of it like a brand new intern. You ask a question, they sprint to the filing cabinet, grab the folders that look closest, and just answer, even when they grab the wrong ones. The fix isn't a smarter intern. It's teaching them to grab the right files and to admit when they don't actually know. Same with your chatbot. So here are the mistakes I see everyone make. Easy to hardest. Fix even a few of these, and you've got a chatbot you can actually trust in front of customers. 1. Clean your documents. Delete the duplicates, the outdated policies, the versions that contradict each other. If your docs are a mess, no fancy tech saves you. Garbage in, garbage out. Start here. 2. Chunk by meaning, not by size. RAG chops your docs into pieces. Chop them randomly, and one piece ends up half about pricing, half about refunds. Useless. Split on sections and headings, so each piece is about one clean thing. 3. Set a similarity threshold. That's just the score for how close a match has to be before the AI is allowed to use it. Set a minimum. If nothing clears the bar, the AI gets nothing, and that's a good thing. Silence beats a confident lie. 4. Metadata filters. Tag every document, product, date, category, region. The AI reads the question, turns it into the right filters, and matches those against your doc's tags first. So when someone asks about the 2026 refund policy, you've already narrowed to only those docs before you even search by meaning. Tags plus meaning, not meaning alone. This one step can roughly quadruple your accuracy. 5. Hybrid search. Normal RAG searches by meaning, which misses exact things. A product code, a name, an error number. Hybrid search runs meaning search and keyword search at the same time, so you catch both. Much better at servicing the actual right chunk. 6. Re-ranking, and this is the biggest bang for your buck. You pull a big pile of maybe relevant chunks, then a re-ranker reads the question and each chunk together and reorders them, shoving the truly relevant one to the top. The AI only ever sees the best few. This single step kills more hallucinations than almost anything else on this list. 7. And this is one of the most powerful agentic RAG. Here's the uncomfortable truth. User questions are usually garbage. We all do it. People type the shortest, vaguest version of what they mean because they think the AI is a wizard that'll just get it. So before you search anything, you let the AI rewrite that question. Break it into several different angles that all point at what the user actually meant. Then you search every angle separately, pull the results from all of them, re-rank the whole pile, and hand the AI only the best. Short, lazy question in, rich, on-target answer out. 8. Ground it and let it refuse. Tell the AI, only answer from these documents, cite the source, and if you're not confident, don't guess. Say you're not sure, and hand it to a human. That one rule turns a silent, confident lie into a safe, let me connect you to someone. If this thing is talking to customers, this rung is non-negotiable. And if you want to go further, put a second AI in front, a critic that checks the answer against the sources before the customer ever sees it, and log every wrong answer so the system keeps getting better. Stack these, easy to hard, and you go from a chatbot that lies to one you'd actually trust in front of real customers. I don't go deep on every one of these, but RAG is exactly what I teach inside my community, how it really works and how to design your filters and metadata so your chatbot stops making things up. If you're building one, check my profile.